So here we are at a job site where they're about to pour the slab for the foundation of this house. And I wanted to show you what it looks like with these anchors. These are the anchors there. This would be considered your dead end side. So this is the side of the cable that you do not pull. That's called the dead end side. Let me kind of show you here a little bit. And you got this plastic poly over the dirt there to retain the moisture. But this is what it looks like as far as the post tension cable. And you hear me talk about on my other videos where there's a beam, which means you'll have 3 cables where you pull. This is what I'm talking about, how they go down into the trenches there. They would call these your beams. Typically you have 3, but depending on the side of the house, this one only has 2 cables running per beam. And if you look here on top, you can see how they're kind of placed, look like a big old tic-tac-toe. And then you got these little chairs that keep them above. So when they pour the concrete, this cable is not resting on the poly or on the dirt to say. It's resting about 2 inches above. That way concrete can go under there. Just the same way they would with rebar. So being that that's where the dead end side is, you don't pull from that side and you don't pull from the front of the house. We'll be pulling from the back of the house, and I'll show you what it looks like over there. So this plastic here is to help retain the moisture of the foundation. And as you can see here, there's a little bit of cable left over. That's where we're going to use our stressing jack to pull the cable. And as you can see, it's protected by this plastic sheathing. So as we pull the cable, it slides inside of this sheathing. It's full of grease. As you can see, I just got myself full of grease there. But the cable slides out easily as we're pulling it. And it's pretty long. I would say that's about 80-foot cable right there. So that's pretty good sized cable. Then we got a little bit of rebar here. And then for the porch, they got some rebar and some cable as well. Typically where you have a corner in your slab like you do right here, you'll have some rebar running this way. I'm not an engineer, but some houses have a number, what is it, 1/2 inch? I forgot what number rebar it is. I think it's number 4. This is like a 3/8 rebar. But yeah, this is what a slab looks like before they start pouring concrete. This is what it looks like here. And then those over there are yet to be trenched out and formed. We got all those over there ready to go. Those 3 slabs over there. Basically the same thing, but I just chose this one because it was closer to me. And once again, these cables here are tensioned to 33 kips, which is about 33,000 pounds of stressing force. So they're really, really tight. And this red cable was manufactured at Suncoast Post Tension. You got different colored cable, and that's how you can tell what company is what. You got a purple colored cable, you got a mint colored cable, you got a black colored cable, you have a green, actually 2 different types of green colored cable, and you kind of know which company was the one that supplied the post tension to the builder. And here we have all red cable, so more than likely all the way down that street and all these houses over here are all red post tension, Suncoast post tension cable. So this is what it is, guys. Hope you guys learned something and got to see something that you probably wouldn't see otherwise. All right, well, thank you for joining me, and more videos to come. Like and subscribe and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.